Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomber Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomber Force 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya haka arpotrik unai lur arja arpuar kala Pynkup Burom bat aisernat Shekiparat khatlai spa sangut ki samla puli ki Pyndep ki Kyrdan Bapher ki Kintup ya ki jingithu kerpang ki khatsangut ki scholars ki Pyndep ya PhD news pa anyu pusangut ki postgraduate degree bat sanspa khatsangut ki undergraduate degree. Hagani kasina kaliang ki board kani ka Skulbah kala Pynkup Burom kerpang ru yu Dr. N. Datta daka honorary Doctor of Science ubaderu founder but chancellor jaka Assam Down University bar kumjuru yu Manas Chaudhry editor barim ka Shillong Times bar menteri barim ka Tharat Puli Puthi jong ka Jala Meghalaya daka honorary Doctor of Literature ya ka bala Pynkup Burom da ular ka Jala Meghalaya Usatya Pal Malik kumukong san. Hagani kasi lai lang ru uma lakmen rumboi Menteri Ketenaga Puli Puthi Jaka Sarkar Jala Kumukong San Binrab Umahabubul Hok Chancellor ke Skulbah Ustm Professor G.D. Sharma Vice Chancellor ke Ustm Dr. B.J. Rao Vice Chancellor University of Hyderabad Dr. N. Lukendra Singh Vice Chancellor Manipur University Barkiwe.
At the outset, I congratulate each one of the graduating students for your outstanding performance and success as you have completed your degree program from this prestigious institution. I also congratulate the faculty members and guardians for shaping brilliant minds. Today, a total number of 1,305 students will be receiving degrees at different levels in this convocation, including 50 PhD scholars. Let me also congratulate the entire USTM family for becoming first private university from Northeast India that has been ranked Grade A recently by NET and to be ranked among the top 200 universities of India by NIRF 2022.
For the last more than 4 decades, after being graduate, serve the society in different capacity and community in receiving honorary degree today. And also, Manas Chaudhry, in the last 41 years, he has served in different capacity. And the 20 years old student being awarded the degree. What is the link between this? These two personalities, through their service after getting degree, they have been awarded the honorary degree. And you, through your hard work, perseverance, through your application of knowledge in the classroom, and through the working together with your teachers or professors, you have been awarded this.